So today we're gonna eat jackfruit while thinking about Donald Trump. Well, my Trump because his mention is inspected by FBI. He's such a poor, pathetic president, former president, because I always say that make America great again. He's always been attacked by his own fellow citizens, like the one who's always wanted to make them great again. But on the other hand, I really adore Nancy Pelosi because she's a woman. So she's a woman, but she has been beaten Trump black and blue. That's like on the side of Nancy Pelosi, they are always on a higher scale compared to Trump. While other presidents, they normally stay with their presidency for 2 consecutive periods of the year. But Trump, on the other hand, his presidency only lasted 4 years, and then he had to say goodbye because he was obviously against the side of Nancy Pelosi. Nancy Pelosi is 82 years old, but she just looks, talk, and act like a woman who is 50 years old. In the other country, the women at her age might have been very old and very exhausted, but they when she passed away. But Nancy Pelosi, on the other hand, she still walks around on her high heel, which is really adorable. Politics is something very interesting, but it's also very hedge. And this jackfruit is very good. Even though many people don't like Donald Trump, but anyway, he's still a businessman, and everything he says is for the business purpose. He's quite correct on the side of business term as well as business the benefits for business. So there's a lot of things he says is true and correct, and that's very worth it for people to learn and listen to. I think he's the only president that I ever really paid attention to his speech. I mean, for other presidents, they normally speak too formally and also too general and not clear the purpose of what they say. It's more academic terms than for civilians, normal citizens like me. It's hard for us to focus and understand what they said. But Trump, everything he said is not only it's not only political purpose, but there's it sounds interesting in the way he talks. It's sarcastic, but very true. It's truly sarcastic, but attract people attention and very easy to understand what he said. It's not like something not something that is too general. It's not something that sounds huge, but it's just very common and beneficial in terms of finance and economic benefit. That is very good. And except that under the Trump presidency, there's no war. There's no war in Israel. because Trump is not a fighter. He's not born as a soldier or to become a fighter, but he's born to be a businessman. The purpose for a businessman is to generate economic benefits, generate profit instead of creating wars and gain power. So that's the reason why I think Trump is different from others. And he also worked very hard at his age, and he's nearly 80, but he still work hard and healthy, and stay healthy. And work on relentlessly in order to make his family better and make the country better.